Hello everyone, this is Yi from custmozied. Today I would like to share this 7.5 meter Profisher aluminum fishing boat. In the past year, the Profisher boat is becoming more and more popular. For the 7.5 meters boat, we have a regular design, and also some clients prefer to make slight changes to meet their requirements, like this one. We can see the window like this, and also the clients increase the fuel tank. We can show you more details about this boat. The trolling motor plate. This boat is also with aluminum roof to the stern, which is supported by the host like this. The boat is designed with single engine and also the small engine bracket, so can prevent from emergency. This boat the client makes slight changes. We can see the library tank here. Usually it's on the other side on our regular model, but this one the client selects the library tank in this area. You can see on our regular Profisher model, the library tank and the access door is in this side, but on this boat, the client design in this side. It's also equipped with glass door. You can see the larger space in the front. For this boat, the client selects the open deck, so can have the great view for the deck when fishing. And also they select this large storage box on each side, so can enough for people to sit here. You can see the large space, the width of this storage box. And these cushions, you can put some stuff inside. Door on each side to hold the fridge and the storage box. This place is to put the fridge. When using, you can pull it out. Or if not needed, you can put it as a storage box to put some tools. On the other side is also the same. Another place the client makes slight changes is the windscreen. Usually there are two pieces of the window in the front, so have the two wipers as well. This one the client make it three pieces. In the middle, the windows can open to the front. It's hydraulic window. When not used, so you can have the fresh air into this cabin from this glass as well. When not using, you can hold this to close it. It would be convenient for tall people to close it or close it outside. See here, the hydraulic windscreen. Three pieces. Sliding window on the side. On the stern, we can see the fold-down seats here, and also cutting board, a drawer. You can put some stuff or small tools inside. On the side, there is the storage box. We can see the pipe inside. There's also one fish tank on each side, and the floor, the draining hole for dirty water. 40 liters on each side. Well, that's the basic layout of this 7.5 meter Profisher boat. In this boat, you can see the slight changes in the front or on the stern. Also the storage box, the large storage box. You can tell us your requirement about the boat. We will communicate with the engineer to design and build and see if available to meet all your requirements. For the fuel tank in this boat, the client make a larger fuel tank, about 500 liters. If you have any requirement about the boat, no matter the enclosed cabin, the half open, or the larger fuel tank, you can tell us. We will communicate with the engineer. For our regular model, you can receive the boat with less leading time. For the customized one, it will need extra costs and more time in building. So you can see which one you need and tell us your requirement. Then we will recommend the one for you. If you have any requirement about the boats, you can review my YouTube channel or contact me directly to know the boat price, to know which one is available. I will load the video every week, and you can follow me to see the latest boat details. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.